Welcome to Mardel's Simple Plan Planners for the homeschool family. Introducing our new exclusive parent-teacher planner and the two new designs of our student planners. Each 12-month planner begins in July 2022 and goes through June 2023, so you can customize and use according to your family's school schedule. Our parent planners are designed for up to 6 students to save you time and money. You can lay out lesson plans or record as you go, and we even include sample pages to help give you ideas of how to use your new planner. Each year, our artists design full-color, amazing artwork with inspiring scriptures or positive, encouraging messages on our sturdy tabbed dividers. This year's designs are inspired by the great outdoors, Sedona color palettes, and retro styles. Other features of our parent planner include planning and overview sections broken down by year, month, and week for in-depth planning. Formatted and spaciously designed for up to 6 subjects per student. Handy teacher materials including student records, attendance tracking, grading chart, and suggested reading list. And a 2-year overview calendar for long-term planning. Our student planners are designed for independent use by your mature middle school and high school kids. Smaller in size, they reflect the layout of the parent planners to make it easy for you to guide them. Our student planner features include overview pages to write out goals, achievements, and future planning, weekly and daily assignment pages with large blocks, and space for journaling, year-end thoughts, and reflections. Our best-selling planners focus on academics to help you stay on track as you organize your homeschool year.
Find more at mardel.com or visit one of our stores.